Ready to transform your Tableau dashboards from drab to dazzling and truly unlock the power of your data? First, consider your audience. Are they executives needing a high-level overview or analysts diving into the details? Tailor the dashboard's complexity accordingly, focusing on the insights they need most. Next, embrace the power of a limited color palette. 2 or 3 carefully chosen colors, complemented by shades of gray, create a professional and less distracting visual experience. Think about using color to highlight key trends and outliers, not just for decoration. Organize your dashboard with containers to structure information and establish a clear visual hierarchy. This guides the users and makes it easy to find the most important insights, like a well-organized website. Choose the right chart type. Bar charts excel at comparisons, line charts are perfect for trends over time, and scatter plots reveal relationships between variables. Avoid chart junk and keep it simple and accurate. At Interactivity, filters allow users to drill down and explore data at their own pace. Tooltips provide extra context and deeper understanding without cluttering the main view. Finally, remember mobile. Ensure your dashboard is responsive and easily viewable on different screen sizes, guaranteeing accessibility and usability on the go. Implement these design principles and you'll be crafting dashboards that not only look fantastic, but also communicate data effectively, empowering your audience to make informed decisions.